Welcome everyone, it's Jean from the Inky Owl Studio and Happy New Year! I hope everyone has had a nice holiday over the past couple of weeks, and I can't think of a better way to start out the new year than to have a giveaway. And this is a little traveler's notebook I've created out of Ephemera's garden kit called Woodland, Winter Woodland, and I'll show you what it is. I'm going to give this away, and the drawing is going to be January 9th, which is a week from today. So please mark your calendar. And you have to be 18 and over, and you need to comment down below. Just any comment, it doesn't matter, just a comment. And you need to be a subscriber. And so I'll be doing that drawing on the 9th. And if you are the winner, then please contact me through my email address, which I'll link down below, and just let me know if I draw your name. So let me just give you a little peek through. And so on the cover, we have field notes, and it's a little metal nameplate, and you can remove it and, of course, put your own words down there, whatever you would like. There's a little owl tag behind the front here on the pocket. It's been sewn around. I have put a piece of cloth down over the spine. It has a tie signature or tie closure. Oh, tongue's tied this morning. So on the inside is all these little tiny cute journaling cards, very sweet, all with some kind of a bird on them. Lots of birds in this kit. In fact, it's mainly just birds. I have embellished it a little bit down here. And I have put in tabs. These are cloth tabs I have sewn in at various places. Kind of makes it look kind of fun. And so the inside is very simple. I have not embellished any of the pages except for a stamp here and there. But even the decorated pages have places to write, which is really nice about this kit. So there's plenty of places to record inside here, and these are just the papers. Just kind of giving you a peek on what is in here. And some birds, and oh, there's some deer in here as well. And I put in some of the Echo dyed sheets. A couple of those are in here too. Those are from her shop as well. These Echo dyeds have a little bit of writing in them. It might be hard to pick that up, but there is a little bit of that in there. And just go through here quickly. I just love that picture. Yeah. Very nice. Just love all these owls in here. Of course I do. And so here is the back. But because these are lightly decorated, or not really decorated on the inside, I am including this envelope full of goodies for you. This lovely owl envelope. This is from the Graphics Fairy Premium site. This one print there. But in here, I've got ephemera for you to play with. I've inked around them and cut them out nicely. And so I've printed on the back, so it's got a little bit of something on the back there. Some of that Echo dyed, I believe. And some small postcards. It's all been downsized because it's a traveler's notebook. And here's a couple of tags I've sewn around. These are from her Familiar Trees kit. And this is part of her Echo dyed paper. Since I made pockets, I have two pockets that are square like this, which I've sewn around, and I have two slant pockets that I've sewn around a couple of the edges, and these are out of her Echo dyed kit. So all of this, then you can put the pocket where you want to put it, put the tags where you want to. You can clip these in with paper clips, or you can glue them in for tuck spots, or however you want to do that. So these will be here for you to play with in this envelope. So to recap this, you need to be subscribed, because if I draw your name and you're not subscribed, then, you know, That's not part of the rules, right? And the drawing is going to be a week from today on January the 9th is the drawing. So please mark your calendar. And yeah, so that's all you need to do, and make a comment. And the comment does not have to be long. It can be one word. It can be a one-word comment. Just make some kind of comment down below. And if you could click the like button, that would be really a good bonus for me too. Oh, I do have a little owl charm. I forgot to show that. In the middle signature, there's a little owl charm. So I'm wishing you good luck, and thank you so much for viewing, and we will talk to you real soon. Bye.